I want every student to realize that they have potential within themselves. They come in with this question of what is construction and what is that to me?
We teach these students construction, we teach them customer service, and we teach them all the necessary skills that they need to get their GED.
I didn't have a path. I didn't know where I was going. Over the time that I've been here, I actually have a path. I want to be a construction worker, but I also want to be an entrepreneur.
YouthBuild is a really nice place. They don't judge you for who you are. My peers, they are like family to me. I learn a lot from them and they learn a lot from me.
A lot of advice that I got from Dave or other mentors here, like getting the right amount of sleep so I can show up, and have energy.
Being on time, participating, asking questions.
That mindset that mistakes are okay, mistakes help you learn.
Basically all aspects of life.
I get to see the students practice everything I taught them. To see them in the same shoes that I was in, to be able to step into that space, talk with them, get to know them on a personal level, and also teach them career skills, that's the entire reason I get out of bed every day.
A lot of people, they don't know what they want to do in life, and having a mentor helps guide them into the right direction.
I think all of us, no matter how old we get, can always use that calm and understanding voice that loves you and cares for you regardless of what you're going through. We all need that.